shifted higher than the ceiling. And ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am back to show you guys this frontal routine that I started to do. So since, you know, frontals are the new trend, I wanted to hop on that joint and see if I can, you know, slay a frontal. So if you guys want to see how I do my frontal routine, then definitely stay tuned to this video. And the hair that I am using, I had my hairstylist make a wig for me, and this is the hair from Beautyforever. It is definitely holding up. I'm very surprised because, you know, curly hair, you be having hella like shedding, but this hair definitely doesn't have that much shedding, so I'm grateful for that. Like, I love this freaking hair. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. But without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm really excited to show you guys because sis, like, look at these. Wait, what? And it's like, this is probably like my 5th time doing a frontal, so you can do it. I just want to encourage you guys that you can do it. So yeah, frontal wear bit. Let's get into this video. I already have like my wig on because I like it to be on before I part, you know, put the glue on and stuff. So I'm just gonna clip the hair back so it doesn't get and like caught in the glue. So what I use is the Got2Be Glue. And I also use this hairspray. This is the Sebastian Shaper Zero Gravity Hairspray. And I use a blow dryer. So first thing I do is I put some of the Got2Be Glue on the back of my hand. And you really don't need that much of the Got2Be Glue or it's gonna be white. And I don't think anybody wants that little white crusty look. So I would just push this back a little bit, and my hair is in flat twist, by the way. So, not flat twist, but twist. Take some of it and then just go around my hairline. And then I take this blow dryer and I put it on cool, but I put it on low. So,
it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride, just suicide, yeah, yeah.
So I usually do 2 to 3 layers, but since I don't really have that much time today, I'm going to do 2 layers, go over top of where I just put the first layer. I'm actually going to spread this out because I don't want it to be that thick. And then just take your blow dryer and go over it again. But this time, let it wait until like it's tacky so that when you put the frontal or the lace on the glue, it'll stick down. And then I'm gonna take the back of this. I'm not gonna use my fingers because if you use your fingers, the like, I don't know, like the oils from your fingers is gonna make it get that white little ashy, crusty look. So I just use the back of my toothbrush.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. It's a vibe, yeah. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm gone, but I'm both now.
Alright, so just bring the frontal up. And I start in the center first. So I'm just gonna lay it on there where I put the glue. And then just like dab it. Dab that lace onto where I put the glue. So then I just take some of the hairspray and I spray it on the lace. And then I get my blow dryer and just blow dry it again. What I do is for the sides, I pretty much just tuck it behind my ear. And then the hair is gonna cover that part. So just get the side, tuck it behind the ear. So what I do is I take some of my Sasha Buttercup setting powder and I put this like on the lace.
The tribe, you don't wanna try that. Hear me on my, I said me on my, catch a flight, no layover tonight.
So now the frontal is on, I take this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Flexible Snot, and I use this to lay down my edges.
Boy, I'm sorry, we gon' do this my way. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah.
Alright, so then I just take down the clip, bring it down on the sides, and then you're really not going to even see this laying up like that. So I just take it out, undo it or whatever. And then if like you see anything like crusty like right here, I just take like a little makeup remover and just dab it there.
I'm high, but I'm both right now. It's a vibe, yeah.
Or what I do is I take some of this hairspray and I just go like that. And then most of the time that helps with if it's crusty a little bit.
Got me lifted, shifted higher than the ceiling, and ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so